Hello and welcome back everyone to a brand new video on the channel, and today we are going to make yet another basic project using an Arduino Uno, which is going to work as a microcontroller, and then a 16x2 LCD display and a MQ-135 air quality sensor. And we of course need a breadboard for tutorial purpose. Let's get started. Now here I will firstly I will just take the breadboard and I'll place the 16x2 LCD display, which is written on the back as well, onto the rails over here, and I'm going to use breadboard as platform for building this project so it's easier for you to understand and to build yourself. Next we take the MQ-135 air quality sensor onto the breadboard and also attach it on the breadboard. Over here we have to take the Arduino Uno and then connect some jumper wires into the label. As you can see, I'm firstly connecting the A0, that is the analog pin of the sensor, to the analog pin A0 to the Arduino module. Next, this is the pin, that is the A0 of the sensor, which will be outputting the analog data on the board, and here it is how it's going to be getting connected to the Arduino, that is A0. Next I'll be using yet another jumper wire to provide 5 volts positive to the sensor on the VCC pin of the sensor from the 5 volts pin from the Arduino. This is the ground wire which I'm connecting right now, the black one, and the red one is the positive one. So the positive goes into the positive rail and the negative goes for the ground. This way I will be connecting the sensor and providing 5 volts as a working voltage from the Arduino itself. Next, I'm taking the 4 jumper wires and I'm going to connect D4, D5, D6 and D7 of the LCD display to the pin number as mentioned on the diagram, and here I am connecting it to pin number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this way I'll be connecting the Arduino with the display using some jumper wires. Next I'm taking 2 more jumper wires and I'm going to connect the E pin and the RS pin with the Arduino pin number pin number 11 and 12. You can also use soldering and you can connect wires directly from Arduino to display if you want it as a permanent project, but I'm using a breadboard and some jumper wires for tutorial purposes, nothing else. Next I'll be connecting some jumper wires for the displays positive and negative, that is the power required for the LCD to work, and this is going for the VDD and it's going to GND, that is ground. Sorry, it's a positive terminal and it's going into the sensor's rails where we got positive and negative from the Arduino. So this way I'm providing 5 volts to the LCD also and the sensor also. It's as simple as that. Next I'll be connecting the sensor. Now you can see the sensor, the board and the LCD are interconnected. We just require the backlight of the LCD display to be powered by 5 volts again. So this is how I'm going to add some more jumper wires into the rail of positive and negative, which is going to be directly powered from 5 volts. In case you don't know what a backlight is, actually there is an LED which actually flashes light onto the LCD so that the crystals, the pixels which are actually highlighted get visible to you. So that LED needs to be powered separately. Here I am taking a 10 kilo ohm preset which will be used for controlling the contrast of the display, and the output of this preset is going to get connected to the V0 or the V0 pin of the LCD display, and the rest 2 terminals of the preset are going to be powered by ground and 5 volts. Now here I am quite rearranging the wires so that I get enough space on the display and the rails. So right now the sensor is being connected with the Arduino Uno through the positive and the negative 5 volts. Then I've connected the same 5 volts to the preset and then the display. So this pin right over here, which is the V0, is being connected with the presets terminal so that I can get variable resistance with the help of preset to control the contrast. Here is the brief description of the pin numbers on the display and on the Arduino Uno. So you can refer to this diagram if you are confused, and you can connect it using the mentioned details. So this is the positive and ground, and then the V0, as you can see. The A and K are for the backlit LED, and the A0 of the sensor is connected to A0 of the Arduino. Over here I'm actually viewing the code in Arduino IDE, and over here I have to mention the library, that is the liquid crystal.h, and then this is the int buzz and int LED. It is actually a different project, so if you don't want to connect those LEDs, you can skip that part. Next there is the rest code, void loop, then I have put everything that is required, air quality which will be printed on the display, and it would be represented in ppm if you want it to be like that, but I've skipped that part so that I just get air quality and the air level is good over here. Next I'm adjusting the preset. You can see the quality of that is shown on the display is varying according to the resistance of the potentiometer. Over here I get, okay, this is the suitable point and I'll leave it here. So right now I'm getting the air quality as 200, and the sensor is actually sensing the air around it and sending the quality data to the Arduino, and the Arduino is displaying it onto the LCD. So here I get air quality as 230, and as I bring the matchstick which has actually burned, you can see the air quality value is increasing, which means the air is having a higher level of smoke and soot particles in it. So this is how, and as soon as I withdraw the stick, the quality is actually improving, which means the value is falling down. And as soon as it decreases or goes below 250, the air AQ quality level turns to good. See, that's how it works. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and if you want to join this channel for its journey, please hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching. Kindly share these videos so that more people can view these videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks for everything.